Cold start. Base idle set screw needs adjusted. It's seized, set a little bit low. Oh. No smoke or anything funny coming out of the exhaust. No funny noises under the hood. Oh, door is locked. But here's a walk around to the car. The interior, little scratches here and there, not bad for 23-year-old car. Certainly not mint condition. Now I haven't really cleaned it either. Seats have no rips or tears. It is missing this little panel right here. The mat pocket is broken. The center console on these is a little chintzy feeling right there. Might need bolted down a little better. The ECU is not mounted for the V8 swap. There are the door panels. The dash is not cracked or anything. Has a gauge pod. I have 2 gauges that are not hooked up. Radio, whatever. Some wear on the shifter knob. Got little scratches around the door locks. Right now I just temporarily have power to power the ECU and the fans. That needs hooked up. The fuse box under here needs permanently mounted. I think that's a pretty good representation of the car. The paint job is very good. I will tell you the only fault that I have with it is in some spots inside the wheel wells. It's a little bit light. It was very hard to paint, very low. So you can see at the very bottom, or inside the wheel wells, there's a little bit of light spots. I don't know how hard that would be to fix. I do have a replacement center tail light. I also do have the trim, or the molding, excuse me, for the rear window, but that's not installed. And I have the rubber door trim for the passenger side. That is not installed right now.